All right, so here's a look at these microwave bowls by Anyday. Now the great thing about these are they're gonna be made out of glass, so it's gonna be a lot more safe than microwaving with plastic. You can see it's a frosted glass, which is nice because it's a very thick kind of glass. This is also gonna work well if you need to put this in the oven. Just make sure that the lid doesn't go in there because this has some silicone on it. But this is great again for the microwave, for the oven. It's dishwasher safe, and pretty much you could use this anywhere. And you can even put this in the freezer. So if you have leftovers, you need to store it, you can easily just put them here, put the lid on top of it, and then you could see that this actually is going to open and close. And this is gonna allow you to either cook with it, which is gonna be open, and you can see on the inside, there's like a little vent right here. This is where the steam is gonna come out of. Or if you're gonna be storing this away in the refrigerator or in the freezer, you can just pop that down like that, and it's gonna help store it. It's also going to be airtight because of these silicone pieces over here on the side. And then I like the fact that they made the side of the lid here made out of stainless steel. So pretty much everything here is going to be glass, stainless steel, and then a little bit of silicone for the sealing. Now again, this is rated for even up in the oven. You can go all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher, freezer, or in the microwave. Now a lot of people are going to be getting these specifically to either cook or reheat in the microwave. And if you look at the guide that they give you here, you can see there's a bunch of stuff that you can do. You can do broccoli in 3 minutes. You can make bacon in about 5 minutes. And there's all types of other stuff as well, not just what you see here. They even give you some other guides, which I like. So you can see you can cook salmon, you can cook broccoli or other vegetables, you can cook rice, and it basically gives you a guide on the actual power level and the amount of cook time depending on what it is you're cooking. So this is really nice because it makes cooking super easy. You're able to just throw it in here, basically pop this piece up off at the top, and then put it in the microwave, turn it on, and start cooking. Now the two bowls that it comes with, you're gonna see here, there is a little bit of a difference in size. So you can see at the top, this one is gonna be more wide, this one's gonna be more narrow. But the more narrow one is gonna be taller, and then this one is gonna be wider. And the actual volume inside of here is going to be 4 cups. So a pretty large size bowl. You could see here, you probably would be able to make for 2 people, kind of depending on what it is you're making. Definitely, if you're making white rice, this is enough for 2 to 3 people. If you're making something like salmon, you might be able to make about 2 pieces. You could definitely make quite a bit of broccoli or any vegetables. And again, this is gonna be a 2-piece set anyways. So if you needed to, you could cook one thing in here, one thing in here, or you could pick up 2 sets of these. These are a great option for anybody that's looking to be healthier and utilize something besides plastic. There's definitely going to be no microplastics with this, being that this is made of glass, stainless steel, and glass for the lid. So if you're looking for some really good bowls, either to store stuff, to reheat, or even to cook with, I would definitely recommend picking up a set of these and trying them out.